This video will demonstrate how to fulfill TikTok orders via FBA within ForSeller. Fulfilling orders via Amazon FBA within ForSeller may include 3 steps. Authorize Amazon warehouse, synchronize inventory, and order processing. Before authorizing the Amazon warehouse, you need to have authorized the Amazon and TikTok store in ForSeller's Shop Manager. Click the TikTok icon. Fill in your customized TikTok store name, click Connect. The authorizing page will pop up. Select the Unlimited in the authorization duration drop-down list. Fill in your contact email and phone number. Check the blank grid beside the precautions. Click Confirm to install, then Authorize. The successful authorization page will pop up. Click the Amazon icon in the ForSeller dashboard to customize the Amazon store name and select the corresponding store site. After clicking Connect, continue to follow the instructions on the Amazon pop-up page to complete the store connection. Enter the inventory setting page. Then click Create in 3PF Warehouse and your FBA page will pop up. On this page, you can select the corresponding Amazon store in the drop-down list. Click Confirm to add the FBA warehouse corresponding to the Amazon store. Before processing an order, you need to synchronize the inventory information in the Amazon warehouse. Go to Inventory, find FBA under 3PF, and then click Sync Inventory to synchronize the inventory of authorized FBA warehouse. If the inventory SKU is not matched, you need to click Map to match it. Click Map to match the inventory SKU. You can search by product name or SKU, then select the corresponding product and click Select to match the SKU of the inventory. Before fulfilling orders via Amazon MCF, you need to first turn on the Shipping minus Inventory button. Click the Setting button to enter the Order and Shipping Settings page. Then click Process Settings. Open the Shipping minus Inventory button to use inventory for shipping. After you connect your TikTok store to ForSeller, the orders will be automatically synchronized. Go to Order. Orders in the pending status are mainly due to 5 reasons: unmapped SKU, out of stock, invalid address, unpaid, and on hold. First, update the orders deliver warehouse in batches. Check the blank grid beside the products to select all the orders, find Batch Modify, and then click Warehouse. You can select the corresponding FBA warehouse in the drop-down list. Click Save to finish it. When orders display an unmapped column, you can click the unmapped icon and select the corresponding SKU for matching. After selecting the corresponding SKU, a link products prompt will pop up. Click only this modification will only take effect on the current order. Click Yes means it will apply to unmapped orders and or subsequent orders. When orders display an out-of-stock column, please check whether the warehouse is selected correctly. If the inventory is insufficient, please click the Refresh Stock button to synchronize inventory. In the Address Invalid tab, ForSeller will automatically proofread the order address information for you. If there's any invalid order customer information, the red words will automatically prompt you. Just move your mouse to the customer information, you can edit and save it. Orders in the unpaid column mean that they have been placed by customers but not yet paid for. On hold means that these orders have not been approved by the platform. If orders don't have the above 5 problems, it will automatically flow to the To Ship status. Here you can purchase shipping label. Simply click on Buy Label in the Action column of the list. Here, please confirm the following information, select the corresponding FBA warehouse and service. Finally, click Buy Label, then the order will go into In Process status. The above is a method of purchasing shipping label individually, and the following is a method in bulk. Check the blank grid beside the products to select all the orders. Go to Batch Modify and then click Shipping Info to update the logistic information in bulk. On the Update Shipping Info page, please confirm the following information. Carrier is displayed as Amazon MCF. Select the corresponding service. Finally, click Save to finish it. Then, click Buy Label in the Action column to purchase the label in bulk, and the orders will go into the In Process status. Besides this, Here's a more quick operation. Click the box under Shipping. Also can select Logistics Services directly. Then click Buy Label in the Action column to purchase label in bulk. In 3PF of In Process column, there are 3 order status. Under the field list, there are 3 situations, which respectively mean that purchase order shipping label failed or the shipping label was purchased successfully but the tracking number was not obtained. The order failed to be pushed to the FBA and the order failed to be pushed to the e-commerce platform where the order was shipped. In the field list, you can directly repurchase the shipping label or return the order to to-ship status, modify the logistic provider, and then repurchase it. In the Publish field list, you can choose to re-push the order to Amazon FBA. In the list of ship field, you can click Ship Order to push the order tracking number to the e-commerce platform again. Under the In Process list, there are 2 situations, which respectively represent the process of purchasing shipping label and pushing the order to FBA. The orders in the 3PF pending list represent that the shipping label was successfully purchased and the tracking number was obtained but the FBA deliver failed. When the order has applied for tracking number and successfully submitted to Amazon MCF for shipment, it will automatically enter the shipped status, and the tracking number will be submitted to the original platform. That concludes our introduction how to ship TikTok orders via Amazon MCF within FBA. There are more details and examples available within our online help center. Don't forget to like, follow our channel, and get more useful e-commerce experience sharing. If you are interested in FBA and think it is useful to you, then please leave yes in the comments area. This is Jolene. See you in the next video.